So it'll be something like this. Play it slower, all right? I don't know how slow that was, but we'll slow it down even slower. So the idea is basically your right hand. When I learn things, I like to listen to the melody because it's the easiest to hear, right? So you can start from E. So it would be again E, F, G, A, B, C, E, and then to D. All right. And your left hand is pretty much just walking up. So again, C, D, E, F, G, A, F. So you put it together, just the bass line. I'm gonna show you what else I did here. It would be uh, again. Okay. So when we do a harmony now, we can just add with the left hand. All right. We could do F, C, G, I'm sorry, and then go to D, A, E, B, F, C, G, D, A, E, and then F, E, F, D. So putting it together, we would have this. Remember, when you're playing behind people, you're not, because I'm bringing it way down here in the kind of middle area. People are trying to talk and whatever, so you don't want to play and do things that are playing over them and what they're trying to accomplish, because it's not gonna sound good, because you're gonna be playing the same time, the same kind of pitch around what they're speaking, because people speak at a pitch. Singing is just elongated talking. So as they do that, you want to kind of keep it like low key and do like nice, pretty harmonic things. And I'm going to show you here. So some of the pretty harmonic things are this. Instead of just playing the note directly, we kind of do a grace note into it. So D, E. And then we stack the chords. Not too much. We don't want to have like, it's too much, right? So we have, this is just a C chord, C, G, and E versus C, E, G. So we're here. And we just kind of approach the melody with a grace note from D. And now we can stack the chords just a little bit, play what's called a dyad, or two chords, a 2-note chord in your left hand. It's all just C, D, all right, E minor, F major, G major, A minor 7, and then now we go to F major 7. And then this chord here, F minor 6. So again. And that's the entire thing. If you want to really finish it and leave it unsuspended, like we're just hanging out here, you can bring it home and go to C over E, D minor, and then back to C again. That's it. Tell me what you think about this. If it's something that's a little too difficult, or if it's something that you can actually pull off. You can learn to cook on keys just like this. Head on over to the community. It's free to join. Link is in the bio.